Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are witnessing something that feels straight out of the future. Xiaomi has just unveiled a device that is not only revolutionary, but something that the world thought could never be done. This is Xiaomi Mi Glass, the world's first truly transparent smartphone. A device so futuristic, it looks like it came from the year 2050. And yes, this time Xiaomi has beaten Apple, Samsung, and every major smartphone company in the world. How? You're about to find out. The Xiaomi Mi Glass is a fully transparent smartphone concept that uses next-generation microglass, micro-LED layering, and edge-core circuitry. When the screen is off, it looks like a piece of clear, futuristic glass. When the screen turns on, it transforms into a bright, vivid display that floats inside the transparent body. This is not just innovation. This is sci-fi becoming reality. The design is what makes Mi Glass the biggest breakthrough in smartphone history. Full transparent body. No visible battery. No visible circuits. No visible cameras. Everything is engineered around the edges using microscopic flexible components. Edge-integrated chipset. Instead of placing the chip inside the center, Xiaomi developed a corner-mounted, ultra-thin processing unit that is only a few millimeters thick. Micro-slit camera system. Cameras are hidden inside the glass layers using special refraction technology, almost invisible to the eye. This is something Apple has never even attempted. Xiaomi didn't just think outside the box. They destroyed the box. Xiaomi Mi Glass uses a 6.7-inch holoclear micro-LED display, fully transparent when idle, turns semi-opaque when active, giving full clarity, adaptive opacity for bright light, 240 Hz refresh rate, 3000 nits peak brightness. This display behaves like magic. You can literally see through your phone, but the content stays bright, colorful, and sharp. Apple may lead in old panels, but this is a different level. Apple has never showcased a transparent display prototype, and Xiaomi is already demonstrating one. Introducing Xiaomi's new flagship chip, X-Fusion T to transparent processor, built specifically for glass-based devices. Features: 4 nanometers design, transparent heat conduction, zero-gap thermal dissipation, optimized for micro-LED. This chip is not just fast, it's engineered to run on a device that technically shouldn't even exist. Apple's A-series chips are legendary, but this new Xiaomi architecture is the only one designed for see-through mobile engineering. Xiaomi didn't just match Apple. They innovated Apple one of the biggest questions. Where is the battery? Xiaomi solved this with a transparent graphene flex battery that sits extremely thin inside the glass. It remains nearly invisible unless you shine direct light at it. Benefits: higher energy efficiency, faster charging, ultra-thin design. This battery tech alone proves that Xiaomi is thinking years ahead of Apple. Xiaomi uses a new camera system called Holocom Matrix 50MP primary, 48MP ultra-wide, 5x transparent telephoto, AI refraction correction system. The camera lens hides inside the glass using micro-reflective tech, making it nearly invisible. This is something Apple is nowhere close to delivering. Xiaomi is not competing with Apple's cameras. Xiaomi is rewriting how cameras are supposed to exist inside a phone. Xiaomi built a custom UI, MIUI Halus, floating icons, transparent widgets, 3D holographic animations, adaptive background tinting, edge-core processing for smooth navigation. The phone feels alive, like every element is floating in air. Apple's iOS is clean and polished, but this is futuristic UI designed for a transparent device. Here's the truth. Apple innovates slowly. They refine, but they don't take big risks. Xiaomi just did something Apple would never attempt. A transparent smartphone, a new transparent battery, a special transparent processor, a glass-integrated camera system, a UI built for holographic displays. While Apple is still perfecting their regular iPhones, Xiaomi is building the phones of the next decade. This is the moment Xiaomi officially beats Apple. Not in sales, but in pure fearless innovation. The Xiaomi Mi Glass is more than a smartphone. It's a statement, a message to the entire tech industry. The future belongs to those who dare. Xiaomi dared. Xiaomi delivered. And Xiaomi proved that innovation doesn't always come from the giant. Sometimes it comes from the bold challenger. If you're excited for the future of transparent technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The future is here, and Xiaomi just changed everything.